There's something timeless about beauty, something that crosses cultures, borders and generations, and today I set out to capture that beauty in silver. Not through brush and ink, not on a canvas, but through fire, sand and molten metal. This is the Asian Beauty, a 4-piece miniature silver art panel, a portrait of elegance, grace and quiet strength. I've always believed that true artistry is in the details, in the tilt of the parasol, the gentle arc of the wrist, the delicate lines of the face. Silver, though unforgiving, has a way of preserving those details forever. Unlike paint or pencil, you only get one shot, one chance to make the fire obey, one moment to turn raw metal into lasting beauty. Every part of this process demands respect, preparing the mould, packing the sand, refining the details in the 3D print. The parasol itself, bamboo handled, elegant, it's all a challenge. Translating such delicate design into heavy molten silver isn't easy, but that's exactly why I love it. The panel itself is miniature, but the ambition behind it is anything but small. Working on this scale forces you to focus. Every line matters, every shadow, every curve, every grain of sand. It's in these moments, these quiet preparations, where I find the heart of my craft. Before the fire, before the fury, there is patience. And then, there is the pour. Over 1,000 degrees Celsius, the silver glows like liquid sunlight, ready to transform. And once it's ready, there is no hesitation. Pour with purpose, pour with precision. The molten silver races into the mould, filling the voids, capturing every nuance of the design. This is the moment of truth, the crossing point between intention and creation. As the metal flows, you can almost feel the image coming to life, even before it cools. But then comes the hardest part, the waiting. Letting the silver settle, solidify, take its final form. Trusting the process, even when you can't see the outcome. It's a quiet suspense, a pause between creation and discovery. Finally it's time. Breaking open the mould is like uncovering buried treasure, a moment of excitement, of tension, and hopefully of triumph. As the sand falls away, the form emerges. The parasol, the gentle posture, the delicate expression, all captured in silver. There she is, the Asian Beauty, tribute to elegance, to heritage, to the quiet power of craftsmanship. Traditional art, maybe not in the modern sense, but it is, without question, a work of passion. A piece that honours both the traditions of art and the traditions of my craft. This is why I pour silver, to chase beauty, to capture stories in metal, to transform simple elements into something that lasts beyond a lifetime. As I polish the final piece, I see more than just silver. I see a patience, I see challenge, I see victory. The light dances across the features, highlighting the craftsmanship, the hours of dedication and the risks taken and overcome. This panel, though small, carries the weight of all those moments. There's a quiet satisfaction in that. I know some might just see this as a metalwork, just fan art, just another project, but to me it's more. It's a reflection of my journey as an artist, a reminder of why I do what I do. Because there's beauty in the process, in the struggle, in the uncertainty, in the fire. And as I step back and look at the finished panel, I know this is only the beginning. There are more stories to tell, more heroes to honour, more beauty to forge in silver. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you've enjoyed this piece, stay tuned, because the next creation is already in the works. And remember, true beauty isn't flawless. It's forged in fire, shaped by challenges, and revealed only when we dare to create.